attach mine especially, then I'm going to just go and make it like a warrior. Warrior, yeah. Okay, you get brown pants, a green shirt, green hands, and green arms, and black hands. So like that. And then the head. I got it from Space Police set. Squidman Escape. Then I get this hat from Space Police, Squidman Escape. Or any one. Yeah, it comes with anyone. So any works. And then this thingamajiggy, it's got like a bomb on it, and then it goes like shakes. That ruined it. That's your Lego warrior.